Yasuke Lives coming at you with another unboxing. Hopefully this will be something good. I know most people have been complaining about the ammo shortage. As I stated in previous videos, have just started my firearms journey as of about 2 or 3 months ago. And I'm finding how hard it is to come across, why am I talking like your ass? Sorry. I'm finding out how hard, because I'm cutting. I think that's why my attention is like, I'm trying to talk while at the same time, cut without hurting myself, because that would be no good, especially if I want to continue to give you all these videos. And our trusty Ruger muzzle brake makes another appearance in this video as well. This knife is beautiful. It's one of my favorites. It's fairly new, but it's one of my favorites. I'm more particular to the other one I have, which is the scrub knife, which I've got set up to where I can EDC it and concealed carry. But once I can figure out how to conceal this baby, I may switch out every now and then, because, you know, Papa can't wear the same pair of shoes every day. Papa gotta switch it up, baby. I don't know where that came from. Anyway, you didn't come here to watch me act crazy. You came here to see what's in the, what is in the box? As I stated, the ammo shortage is real right about now. But as you can see, if you can find it, buy it. I've never had this brand before. I've never had a Hornady Black, but I've heard good things about Hornady. This box is sexy as hell. Now, if I could only figure out how to open it. Oh, you know what? It's tied off, that's why. But this is my, Bushmaster came today. That's good. This is actually for my Bushmaster barrel that I'm working on. This will be my first AR barrel build. So I hope and pray, and I'm actually trying to get everything on point. So whenever I do end up taking it to a range, I can try it out and see what this Bushmaster is all about. But for now, I'm just gonna try and get this here open without hurting Mr. Knife, Mr. Muzzle Brake. Damn this thing. But hold tight. All right, I'm still working with the ammo case, but I will say this much: I like the fact that this sucker is sealed off. I'm trusting and believing that it was sealed off before it was shipped, or, you know, they sell it like it's like it's sealed off. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but I only say that because when I previously purchased ammo, it was some 9mm, and we all know how 9mm are. They come in boxes sometimes, unless you are able to come across a can. But there we go. Yeah, zip tied it. That's good. But there was a time where I purchased 9mm, and I tried to, well, I opened everything, and once I opened the can up, I realized that I was missing a lot of rounds. I should still have the picture. I may post it in the video, but it was no bueno. It was not cool. I was missing so many rounds to the point where I barely even had enough rounds for one package. So needless to say, that that didn't fly too well with me. Ooh-wee. This is the first time I've held a Bushmaster round, or anything bigger than the 5.56. I am kind of looking forward to this. So with any luck, I'll be able to finish that 450 barrel, and or 450 upper rather. And oh god, getting range fever. I want to try it. God, I want to try it. This looks, ugh. This is cool. I definitely cannot wait to try this out. Probably do a review on that too. 450 Bushmaster. God, that's beautiful. But as I'm stating in this video, like I said, find ammo where you can, and when you do find it, try and buy it. And I'm not trying to say that you need to go out here and make some serious life-changing decisions in order to make sure you can get what you need. Sometimes you might luck up and you're able to find ammo at a good price. Did I want to spend a few hundred on this? And by few, I mean like less than 200. Actually, I think this might have been like maybe one something, but even still, did I want to spend that much money on it? No, but let's be real. We are kind of in a serious ammo shortage. So, seeing as how I'm trying to set everything up to where I have a selection of certain weapons, just like I have a selection of ammo to use. That's what I'm trying to do. So I won't just be stuck at one, and then if I go to the range or something and I lose, I don't know, say 100 rounds, 200 rounds, and I don't have enough to replenish, then I'm just SOL. Because, you know, you've gone gun crazy and you just shot up every single target that's out there, and then you don't have anything to replace what you just fired. So just be a little bit responsible about your ammo purchasing, and you know, make sure there's enough in the pool for the rest of us. And if not, I mean, hey, I guess it is what it is. But in the meantime, grab what ammo you need and try and find it at a reasonable price. And even if you do find it, make sure that it makes sense to you. Because if you got a surplus of, let's say, in my case, 9mm rounds, it doesn't make any sense to continue to look for 9mm unless you just go to the range that often. So purchase wisely. Don't get gouged if you can avoid it. And buy smart. Be smart.